Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your GetCity Bank. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the search bar type in getcity.bank and click on enter. Now you can type in your user ID and password here. You can also click on this I button to reveal your password. Now click on Go button to log into your GetCity Bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link, or if you have forgotten your user ID, click on this link and follow the instructions to reset it. If you have not made an account on GetCity Bank, click on Sign Up link to create new account on it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.